The Boeing AH-64 Apache is an all-weather attack helicopter. It is piloted by a crew of 2, and its primary armament is a 30mm M230 chain cannon located under the muzzle. The Apache has been the U.S. Army's flagship heavy attack helicopter since it first entered service in January 1984. To date, more than 2,700 AH-64s have been delivered to the U.S. Army and 18 international partners. The Apache office has continuously improved the AH-64 helicopter since its original configuration. Few components remain from the first design, and the upgrades have resulted in the world's premier attack helicopter. The latest version of the Apache was released in 2020. The Apache currently integrates the latest technologies that allow incorporating new capabilities aligned with user priorities. Development of the Boeing AH-64 Apache began with the Model 77 developed by Hughes Helicopters for the United States Army's Advanced Attack Helicopter program to replace the AH-1 Cobra. The Apache is primarily operated by the U.S. Army and is the primary attack helicopter in various countries, including Greece, Japan, Israel, the Netherlands, Singapore, and the United Arab Emirates. The Apache helicopter is also built under license in the UK as the AgustaWestland Apache. American AH-64s have served in conflicts in Panama, the Persian Gulf, Kosovo, Afghanistan, and Iraq.